Alright, I just had to get a video real quick. This is Snake Shed. Oh my goodness. I pulled it out of here, so some snake is going around, and I guess it's shedding this little pool because I just pulled it out of there. That's so cool. Okay, now that I'm getting a closer look, there's these pet snails. They got these down by the creek near where I live. And oh, would you look at that? It's a bloodworm. I think they're called bloodworms. They look blood red to me. That's close enough. That is just wild to me.